The first rays of dawn bathe Rome in a warm, ethereal glow. The city awakens slowly, its ancient stones absorbing the gentle light as if whispering secrets of a bygone era. A silent spectacle unfolds as the sunlight creeps across the ancient city, illuminating the remnants of a civilization that once ruled the known world. The light dances over the ruins, bringing them to life in a way that words alone cannot capture. Finally, the light reaches a colossal structure that has borne witness to centuries of history. This is the Colosseum, standing tall and proud, a beacon of Rome's enduring spirit. This is the Colosseum, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a testament to the architectural and engineering prowess of the Roman Empire. Its grandeur is unmatched, a marvel of human ingenuity and ambition. Its massive stone facade, scarred by time but still imposing, stands as a silent sentinel guarding the memories of a glorious past. Each weathered stone tells a story, each crack a testament to the passage of time. Even in its silence, the Colosseum speaks volumes. The empty arena, once filled with the roar of the crowd, now stands tranquil, a place of reflection and reverence. It whispers tales of emperors and gladiators, of power and bravery, of lives lived on the edge of the sword. The echoes of their stories still linger in the air, a haunting reminder of a time long past, of roaring clouds and exotic animals, brought from the far corners of the empire to entertain and awe. The Colosseum was a stage for the extraordinary, a place where the unimaginable became reality. Of triumphs and tragedies played out on its grand stage, each event, each spectacle adding another layer to its rich tapestry of history. This is not just a ruin, it is a living museum, a place where history is not just observed but experienced. Visitors from around the world come to walk in the footsteps of the ancients, to feel the weight of history in every step. A place where one can almost hear the echoes of the past, the distant roar of the crowd, the clash of swords. The Colosseum is alive with the memories of those who came before. Feel the pulse of a civilization that once ruled the world. The walls of the Colosseum are more than just stone. They are the heartbeat of Rome, a connection to a time when the city was the center of the universe. The Colosseum is a monument to human ambition and ingenuity. Its design and construction were feats of engineering that continue to inspire awe and admiration. It is a symbol of Rome's enduring legacy, a reminder of the city's power and influence, and of the people who built it. It is a place where history comes alive. Through interactive exhibits and vivid reenactments, visitors can step back in time and experience the grandeur of ancient Rome. The Colosseum, originally known as the Flavian Amphitheatre, was the brainchild of Emperor Vespasian. Vespasian, founder of the Flavian dynasty, desired a symbol of unity and strength for a Rome still recovering from civil war. His vision was to create a magnificent arena for public entertainment, a gift to the Roman people. Construction began in 70 AD and was completed with remarkable speed under the reign of his son, Titus, in 80 AD. The Colosseum's location was strategically chosen. It was built on the grounds of Nero's opulent palace, the Domus Aurea, a deliberate act to symbolically erase the memory of the unpopular emperor and reclaim the land for the people. This act of symbolic reclamation resonated with the Roman populace, who saw the Colosseum as a symbol of their collective identity. More than just an amphitheatre, it became a symbol of Flavian power and generosity. The Colosseum is a marvel of Roman engineering, standing as a monumental testament to their architectural prowess and innovative spirit. It showcases their mastery of materials and design, blending functionality with grandeur in a way that has captivated historians and architects alike for centuries. The sheer scale of the structure is awe-inspiring, with its towering walls and expansive arena that once hosted gladiatorial contests in public spectacles. It could accommodate an estimated 50,000 to 80,000 spectators, seated according to their social standing, reflecting the highly stratified nature of Roman society. The Romans' innovative use of concrete, a material they revolutionized, was instrumental in the Colosseum's construction. This durable and versatile material allowed them to build on an unprecedented scale. This allowed for the creation of the massive arches and vaulted corridors that characterized Roman architecture, providing both strength and aesthetic appeal. Beyond its size, the Colosseum's design features demonstrate remarkable ingenuity. The architects incorporated a variety of elements to enhance the experience for spectators and ensure the structure's longevity. A complex system of entrances and exits, known as vomitoria, ensured the smooth flow of people in and out of the amphitheater, minimizing congestion and allowing for quick evacuation if necessary. This sophisticated crowd management system was vital for maintaining order and efficiency within the massive structure, a necessity given the large number of attendees. One of the most impressive features was the Valerian, a retractable awning system that shielded spectators from the elements, providing comfort during events. This marvel of engineering, operated by sailors from the Roman fleet, used ropes and pulleys to manipulate large canvas awnings. The system was so advanced that it could be adjusted to provide optimal shade and ventilation, showcasing the Romans' understanding of both engineering and human comfort. Beneath the arena, a network of underground chambers and passageways housed gladiators and wild animals, adding another layer of complexity to the Colosseum's design. These subterranean areas were equipped with elevators and trapdoors, allowing for dramatic and seamless introductions of combatants and beasts into the arena. Today, the Colosseum stands as a symbol of Rome's enduring legacy, attracting millions of visitors each year who marvel at its grandeur and the ingenuity of its ancient builders. Ongoing restoration efforts ensure that this iconic structure continues to inspire awe and admiration for generations to come. As the sun sets and the Colosseum is bathed in the golden hues of twilight, it serves as a poignant reminder of the incredible feats of engineering and architecture achieved by the ancient Romans, a true testament to their enduring genius. Section 4. Bread and circuses, the roar of the crowd. The Colosseum was the epicenter of Roman entertainment, a grand amphitheater that stood as a testament to the architectural and engineering prowess of ancient Rome. It was a place where the boundaries between life and death, freedom and slavery were starkly drawn. A stage for grand spectacles that captivated the masses, the Colosseum could hold up to 50,000 spectators, all eager to witness the thrilling events that unfolded within its walls. The roar of the crowd was a symphony of excitement, fear, and anticipation. Gladiatorial combat, the most iconic of these spectacles, was a brutal ballet of skill, strength, and strategy. These fights were not mere brawls, they were carefully orchestrated performances that required immense training and discipline. Gladiators, often slaves or prisoners of war, fought to the death, their fates decided by the roar of the crowd. The audience's thumbs up or down could mean life or death, making the spectators an integral part of the drama. These games were more than just entertainment. They served as a powerful tool for social control, offering a release valve for the tensions of Roman society. The emperors used these spectacles to gain favor with the populace, distracting them from political and economic issues. Animal hunts, known as venationes, were another popular form of entertainment. These events showcased the bravery of the hunters and the ferocity of the beasts, creating a thrilling spectacle for the audience. Exotic animals from the far reaches of the Roman Empire, lions, tigers, elephants, and even ostriches, were brought to the Colosseum to be hunted down in front of the roaring crowds. These hunts were a display of Rome's ability to dominate nature and its vast empire. These displays of exotic animals showcased the vast reach of the Roman Empire and emphasized the power of Rome to conquer and control nature. The presence of these animals in the Colosseum was a testament to the empire's wealth and influence. The Colosseum also hosted elaborate mock naval battles known as naumachii. These events were incredibly complex, requiring the arena to be flooded with water and ships to be brought in for the battles. These spectacles demonstrated the engineering ingenuity of the Romans and their ability to create awe-inspiring events. The Colosseum, with its grand architecture and thrilling spectacles, remains a symbol of the grandeur and brutality of ancient Rome. It was a place where the power of the empire was on full display and the roar of the crowd echoed through history. Section 5. The Colosseum's transformations from arena to relic. With the decline of the Roman Empire, the Colosseum fell into disuse. The once grand arena, a symbol of Roman power and spectacle, was gradually abandoned. In the centuries that followed, it served various purposes, reflecting the changing times. During the Middle Ages, it was used as a fortress, its once open arches bricked up for defense. It also served as a quarry, its stone repurposed for the construction of palaces and churches. Earthquakes in the 14th and 18th centuries further damaged the structure, causing the collapse of its south side. However, the Colosseum's legacy lived on. Artists and poets were drawn to its evocative ruins, their works immortalizing its grandeur and decay. The Colosseum became a powerful symbol of the passage of time, a reminder of the impermanence of empires. Section 6. An enduring legacy, the Colosseum in the modern world. Today, the Colosseum stands as one of the world's most recognizable landmarks, attracting millions of visitors each year. Its imposing presence dominates the Roman skyline, a constant reminder of the city's illustrious past. It serves as a powerful symbol of Rome's enduring legacy, a testament to the power and ingenuity of one of history's greatest civilizations. Modern preservation efforts, initiated in the 19th century, have helped to conserve this architectural treasure for future generations. The Colosseum's influence extends far beyond the realm of history and architecture. It has inspired countless works of art, literature, and film, its image instantly recognizable across cultures. Its enduring legacy is a testament to the power of human imagination and the timeless allure of the Roman Empire. More than just a tourist attraction, the Colosseum is a place of pilgrimage, a place where visitors can connect with the past and contemplate the ebb and flow of history.